Search for Swiggy.com.
Select food delivery.
Right-click anywhere on the page and click Inspect.
Click on the Network tab.
Then refresh the page.
Select Fetch/XHR.
You can see V5. Click on it.
This is the API used by Swiggy. You can double-click on it.
This is not in JSON format. If you want to convert it into JSON format, we have to install an extension.
Search for JSON Viewer Chrome extension.
Click on this one.
I have already installed it. You can see the Add button here.
After you install the extension, it will look like this. Thanks for watching.